Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys ay magsiswimming tayo. At eto na nga nakapag-set up na kami ng tent. So ayan, at magre-ready na kami para makapagluto. Yan nga pala yung kapatid ng asawa ko si Ate Anita. Asawa niya, si Kuya Junior.
May payong baga, ano man ito para naglipat kita. Hindi, dapat may payong kita dyan, no? Nakapa. Ha? Ito nga payong ka pa diyan. Kita unon di dyan, ano. Akala ko mountain, iyan pa lang ang ano, cottage.
Visit na kayo dito ng Marzigaray, Bulacan. Ano to, sa Matiktik. Oo, Matiktik. Meron din siyang bakas, meron ding maraming swimmingan dito guys. So ayan, kasama namin ang pamangkin ng asawa ko, si Wiwin. Ang saya-saya, super. Nagluto-luto kami dito guys. May dala sila Ate Anita na food. And then ayan, nagsisimula na kami magchikahan and everything. So ayan, napasayaw pa ako, kaloka kasi kumakanta si Joy Ann. Kaya ayan, napasayaw ang lola niyo, Charis. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda, super. Fresh ang water because ang water dito is talagang galing siya sa bukid or sa dam. Oo, sa dam siya galing, kaya malinis talaga siya. Running water talaga. So ayan, tapos na makapagluto, mag-i-eat na kami guys. Yan yung mga baon namin. Bangus, ang tokwa, and may inihaw na pork, may gulay na laing, pritong, ano ba yung bangus, tapos may inihaw na bangus. Then ayan si Wiwin, takot na takot siya sa camera guys. Ayaw niya magpa-video, nahuli ko din. Mga takot yan sa camera. So, ayan, kumakain na nga ako. Fast forward lang siya kasi ang haba, guys. Napakasarap kumain dito, guys. Sobra. Babalik pa kami dito. Mag-overnight kami. Para bongga na. So, ayan, nag-inom-inom na sila, guys.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop.